Hello everyone. I hope all you are doing great. Today we have Venugopal Reddy with us. Venugopal currently pursuing his masters from NIT Warangal in electronic instrumentation and embedded system. And currently he's doing an internship in Intel. So first of all, I would like to thank you for giving your time to our channel VLSI for all. And means it's our opportunity that we will share with the help of your views. There is a community over VLSI community which will learn your experience, will have some thoughts like how they can proceed in their life. So let's start with a brief introduction. So can you introduce yourself first of all?
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. You said, my name is Venugopal, and I'm from Guntur, which is in state of Andhra Pradesh. I did my graduation in Veltech University from Chennai, and I specialized in electronics, communication, and engineering. And I am pursuing my master's from NIT Warangal in the stream of electronic instrumentation and embedded systems. And I have got the internship opportunity in the NIT Warangal, like in Intel itself through campus. And that's what we need about mine.
Yeah. Okay. So like you are doing your masters from NIT Warangal. So what's your experience there?
Yeah, it's actually it is virtual.
Okay.
We enjoyed virtual also. Compared to offline, it's not good. But virtual, but they provided some good information even in virtual also. I
Means
love some things in that.
yeah.
And
Means
we have some good curriculum in.
mhm.
We have some curriculum in my stream, electronic instrument systems. Basically, it covers VLSI, embedded systems, and machine learning, like all like like hard cakes. These are hard cakes, as you know. Um, that's our curriculum. Yeah, great curriculum and great teaching staff we have.
Yeah, because NIT Warangal has its name in VLSI, so means all the teachers are very good. So what was your job role and what do you do as an intern? Means you have joined or you are currently you have to join?
No, like currently I'm doing my internship. Actually, I have got some opportunities in some other product companies I have to join. So as an intern, my job role is associate designer. So as an intern, I have done initially some kind of document revision. I have to some flows internal flows, and I have done scripting in Python. I have developed some advanced automation script Python. Later, I have verified the constraints. Like we will have different kind of constraints in the design, like as a sanity check for the STA. We have verified those constraints, and I have partially involved in the integration, like connecting the IPs and those kind of stuff I have involved in. All of like really, I don't know when joining the Intel, like that's my first experience to the industry. Like I'm not aware of like what happens in industry, and like everything was new to me. I'm not even aware of this Unix environment completely. Like I started learning everything from scratch. So I kept on learning. Like I learned a lot in the internship.
Mean what you have
And my
continue.
and yeah, and my technical leads and my team members, they have helped me a lot to like learn everything from the scratch. Like they have given me some good tasks to improve my abilities. Like I'm helpful to them in some tasks. Like
Okay. Means that is a very good thing. By like having a good understanding with your teammates and learn from there. So what you have learned all these things. So you have learned in this company only Intel, or you have some past experience also.
no, whatever I have learned, that all those things that I have learned in Intel.
Okay,
Like
so how much time from how much time you are doing this internship?
yeah, I have been doing this internship since past 11 months.
Okay, past 11 months means that is a quite long time. So means you have learned a lot
Yeah,
from in this period.
yes, yes.
So okay, so how do you apply for the job? Like you said, this is the on campus or off campus?
Yeah, it is actually on campus. Like majority of product-based companies, like in the VLS stream, will visit our college, like the Nit Warangal. They came to our campus.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, we have to apply for that, and we have some CGPA restrictions
Criteria.
for that. Like who are having above 7 or 7.5 can apply for that. So I applied to Intel. So I got the chance. Later, I think there were one or two rounds. There is one round.
Mm-hmm.
So one round of interview was went on. So basically, that's technical interview. In that technical interview, they asked me about all digital system basics questions like what is the difference between latch and flip flop and
Yeah.
uh, clock gating and like majority of the discussion went on clock. Like we had some interaction with respect to clock.
Okay, okay, then I'll ask. So like there is no written interview, means written
No,
test
like
before technical rounds.
no, we don't have written test. Like based on CGPA, they shortlisted.
Shortlist. So it means you have
Yeah.
only one technical round and one HR round.
Yes, yeah, one technical round. There is no HR round actually.
So in the technical round, like first of all, they start from your basics, digital systems. Okay. Then
Yes.
in what domain they more focuses on? Like what type of question they
Yeah,
are asking like, particularly?
they concentrated more on our digital basics, like all that digital stuff, like basics of logic gates,
Hmm.
number systems, and uh, and like sequential circuits, FSMs, all this stuff, like all basic related to digital systems. They have focused more, and some VLSI concepts like power dissipation,
Hmm.
like what are kinds of power dissipations, and how you can overcome it. These kind of questions they have asked, and specifically about clock gating, which is to like reduce dynamic power consumption. They focus more, like,
So you
almost.
means any special thing you have learned before interview, like you have to
Yeah,
focus is
yes.
on your teacher said like these are the things, if you more focuses on this then this will be good for the interview like this.
Yeah, yeah. Before the interview, like I have learned digital. I have revised digital system design,
Mhm.
and I have learned STA in depth, and I have learned Verilog, uh, and I have revised this VLSI concepts. All these I have learned. Like and my teachers, faculty also suggested the same.
Okay, like there are different domains in VLSI. Like physical design is also there, DFT and front end. We are talking about digital verification. So, like if one have to appear in these companies, they have to like knowledge of all these domains, or it will be fine if they know like only a specific front end.
Yeah, yeah. Like they want to like they're recruiting for you for front end. They'll ask questions related to front end. Basically, they recruited me for design profile. They asked me from front end, and if they are recruiting for you physical design, they'll ask questions related to like basic design flow, and
Mhm.
like they'll expect something like what is clock tree synthesis,
Mhm.
placement routing, all like some backend stuff they'll expect from us. But for me, like they interviewed for front end design profile, so they asked me from this digital Verilog and this thing.
Okay. So,
Yes.
like you have also seen now, semiconductor industry is booming, and AICTE. also approved BTech in VLSI, and also many opportunities for the students. So what do you think students are preparing for GATE, okay, for higher studies? So will it be fine to taking a job after BTech or BTech level and having experience is good?
Actually, yeah, they feel they have some good knowledge. They can join after BTech also, but even they can choose for GATE. That is also good. Coming to myself, like I joined GATE coaching after BTech. I feel myself I don't have good knowledge in core area,
Mhm.
so I opted for GATE. Basically, I'm from Tier 3 college. We
Yeah.
don't get much exposure in core, so I opted for GATE, and I have got some good knowledge in GATE coaching. So after that, I'm very strong in my fundamentals, and I have appeared for some government exams, and I have cracked them as well. The GATE coaching is very helpful, even for like students from Tier 3 colleges who
Mhm.
are preparing. For all of them, GATE coaching is. I suggest GATE coaching is good, and uh, for, who are good in technical knowledge from BTech itself, they can join for job as well. Like if they feel they are strong in core area, they can join job as well.
So means when you are preparing for GATE, it means what you have learned from Verilog to all these things you have learned in MTech itself.
Yeah, very long I have learned in MTech itself, but digital design basics, all that I have
You
learned
have
in
learned
my
in
GATE coaching itself.
yeah, in the GATE coaching, and you have very good fundamentals from there itself.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. So what do
And
you think?
even
Yeah.
analog electronics,
Hmm.
even some backend stuff like analog electronics networks, all of them will be taught in GATE. So that's very
EDC
good
also.
actually. GATE is,
Yeah.
yeah, EDC, correct. VLSI basics, yeah.
Mhm. So,
Correct.
what do you think students should choose VLSI as a career? What are the opportunities out there? What do you think? What are the opportunities in VLSI? Like,
Yeah, VLSI, we have design roles, verification roles, and physical design and validation, post, yeah, and mixed signal engineering and mixed signal design. And we have like a lot of opportunities in VLSI. Like VLSI market is also growing very much. Like
mhm.
and we have something like semiconductor startups also coming.
Yeah,
We have very good opportunities. It's booming as like a software. Like we have very good opportunities in VLSI.
yeah. So, like, this is the most important questions which student asked. Like, it means this question is related to the salary. So, can you you can give an approximate idea to our viewers what are the packages product-based company giving to VLSI aspirant? Means only
Yeah.
approximate idea, not like exact. Uh, if it is fine.
Okay. Like every product based company is giving base salary. I'll say base salary. Base salaries for every product based company will be same. It will be in the range of 13 to 17 lakhs per annum, and some product based companies will give stocks and some bonus, joining bonus, all of them that will give. But for every product based company, salary will be more or less same, like as I said, 13 to 17.
Yeah, yeah.
For freshers, I'm telling. For experience, it will be very much more. Like it is very more.
Okay, means this is the like 13 to, I think this is the industry where the minimal efforts, from the minimal efforts, you can get a good like salary. And this is a booming
Yes.
industry, so there is a very less competition. And also there are so many vacancies. So this is a very new sector which is opening in our country, in which it has taken parts in different domains. Earlier, there were opening in only verification parts, but now companies are coming forward to take students in different domains. So this is the good
Yes.
opportunity for students if they're taking their career as a VLSI engineer. So this is a very good means opportunity to all our viewers. If I said okay, so the main question. Okay, what do you think the most important thing the companies are looking into the aspirant? Okay, like particularly in the fresher, like what are the key things they are more focuses on?
Yeah, the key things they more focus on our digital knowledge. And every product-based company, as every VLSI company, they look for Verilog. You should know Verilog, and you must know digital basics. And if you are going for backend, you should also know like network, analog electronics basics, all those. And they expect some programming knowledge as well, like
Mhm.
C or Python. They expect some kind of this programming knowledge. And more again, like if you know Linux environment, that's also good actually. Even if you don't know, we can learn from industry as well. But mostly they look for all these things.
So when you appeared there, so you know C, C++, Python, or you learned after joining?
Yeah, I just know C. After joining, I have learned Python.
Okay, so like I think the scripting language we mainly use like Python also, and there are Perl and Bash also. So what are the scripting language mainly used in the industry level? What are you using right now?
Yeah, Perl and Python. Both of them are equivalent, Perl and Python. But nowadays Python is overcoming them. Like Python is mostly used here, and tools are based on old tools are based on some Tcl scripts. So we'll
Mhm.
use Tcl also in the industry. Like
Ah, mhm.
and all coming to Intel, like all tools are based on this. Like most of the tools that I worked on are based on this Tcl
Tickle.
scripting.
Yeah.
This is also useful.
So, okay, like you have said, you have only one technical round. So, do they ask any question from your project, and what are the projects you have made at BTech level or MTech level?
Yeah, they didn't ask much about project, as I have done project related to antennas in
Mm-hmm.
my BTech. They
Communication.
didn't ask me much about the this project,
Okay, okay.
but
So,
they'll ask if you done project like some good project on very long.
okay. So, what are the projects you have done based on Verilog?
Based on very long, I have done synchronous 5 design, but I
Mm-hmm.
have done that is after my internship. Like uh, mm, to my college internship opportunity came on first semester,
Mm-hmm.
so I have done that in second semester. But by the time of internship, I didn't upload any project. Like I didn't put any project in my resume.
Mm-hmm.
I have,
Okay, okay. So, means more or less, the two things I understand mainly, the college has a very important role, and second, your basics. And if
yes,
you
yes,
if you are
correct.
clear with your basics, then the interviewer will see that how much potential this student have, and whatever the thing we want from this student, can he will be able to understand those things and be able to do that those things. So for our viewers who wanted to go in a very good companies like Intel or Qualcomm, any companies, then don't do so many things like what I see that students are doing these so many things, and their basics are low. So first of all, strong your basics. The basics are most important thing, and after, if you are have a good understanding of digital electronics and Verilog, then you can switch to another things like system Verilog or physical design, these type
Yes,
of
yes,
things. So means from Venugopal is a very good identity or very good example of these things. Like first of all, strong your basics means this is the most important. Interviewer also sees like how much strong basics you have. They will not ask anything higher level things from you. The simple questions like what are the flip flops and latches, what are synchronous
yes,
asynchronous flow, Like what are synchronous asynchronous resets, means these type of questions, because these plays a very important role when you are going afterwards doing something like internships or projects. Okay,
Yes.
so my next question is, what do you think like VLSI for all these initiatives to help aspirant and its motive to guide students in their level to best grab a job at their initial stage of career?
Yes, I actually even I have followed the VLSI for All YouTube channel. Like it in my MTech. So, but it helped me a lot. Like they like you guys will upload from us good some good videos from industry experts.
Mhm.
It give us some good exposure, like what kind of questions they are asking in some product based companies. And I have I have followed some other YouTube channels as well, like technical bites, like all those.
Mhm.
I have got really it is very helpful for me, like VLSI for all. Your basically this interview thing, this is very good. Like candidates will share their experience, so even it is very helpful in preparing for product based companies. Like I have appeared for like almost all product based company interviews. Like
Okay.
it is your channel is very helpful. Like
Like these
mm,
we have means started these initiatives because in our initial career also, when we are seeing anything and search anything on YouTube, like in the
yes,
Qualcomm, in the synopsis, what type of question they are, what are the environment there. So these things are missing on YouTube, and these things are not there on Google also. So these initiative will help the students, like if they are appearing for any product based companies, what types of questions they are asking, and what are the rounds are there, different colleges different strategy, and if you are applying off campus, then how you can prepare. If you are from on campus, then what are your means important key point you have in your mind. So these are the initiative, and there are so many calls coming to us and so many messages coming to us. Thank you, sir, for thank you for this initiative. We have learned a lot from this, and this help us to crack this interview. So I think this is a great thing,
yes,
which we are get the
definitely.
responses also. So like my another question, like you have very experience in like different companies also in giving interviews. So if anyone applies off campus, what are the points he should take care of for resume building? Like resume building is the most important thing for off campus for shortlisting.
Yeah, coming to resume building, like you should do more projects, and you should have some good projects, like in whichever domain you are applying. Those projects should be related to that area. Uh, Mainly as a fresher, they look for projects, and they'll expect some programming knowledge, and they'll expect to work on some tools, like tools available like Vivad or JLXIS,
Mhm.
FPGA, these things. And other than this, you after building your resume like this, you can apply like you can get referrals from LinkedIn, like building connections like in the LinkedIn network who are
Mhm.
industry experts. You can get referrals from them. Like I have seen like most of the people are willing to give referrals. Like
Yeah.
I have got referrals from many people. Yeah,
So yeah, means two
like
important things which I learned from you, Venugopal. First of things, you should have a good connections on LinkedIn. Good
yes,
connection, keep in touch with the industry experts on LinkedIn, like who are currently joined or who have some experience there. Share your thoughts. If you have any doubt, then talk to them. So this will be a very great practice. And if you have any doubt, you have to means give your resume, you have to appear for that company, then talk to him like I have to like appear for this company, then they are willing to give you refer. Okay, like
yes,
many aspirant think yeah, how we can do, he will give or not, he will talk to me or not. So means these type of things you should don't get in your mind. Okay, just
yes,
do things.
correct.
First of all, these are the things. You are in a professional platform like LinkedIn. There is not there is no student, there is no teacher. There are professionals. All professionals you
Yes.
are working. So talk to them as a
Yes.
professional, and this will help you a lot. Okay.
Yes.
So I think we have covered all the points. What are the things we have? So we are at the end of this interview. So before wrapping up this interview, could you give some motivation tips to our viewers? Means so that after watching this, they will feel more motivated to work.
Yeah. Motivation tips. Like, uh, yeah, everybody can do it because when I'm studying BTech, I didn't even have dare to think about this Intel,
Hmm.
Qualcomm, like these product-based companies. We don't even have dare to think about these product-based companies. Like we are from that background, but now we we are in situation like after getting gate coaching and after joining masters in NIT Warangal and after acquiring knowledge like after building fundamentals like I'm very much like I have got very much confidence to and I have secured like some good like I have got job in some to product based companies as well. Like if we can do like even if we slow like we'll think like sometimes we are slow, we don't know basics. This is we cannot we like these product based companies don't recruit us, we don't
Hmm.
as we don't need to think like that. Like we just need to build our fundamentals, that's it. Like anybody can do it.
And also one thing, people like aspirants, not people, not students. I will see aspirants. They most of the thing I have seen the hopelessness. The means people are hopeless. Like we are means I am not able to give the interview to this company. I am not good for this company. This is a very big company and I don't know so much thing. How can I be valuable to this company? So these type of thoughts I have like listen from the aspirants. Means they are not even fighting. They are not even fighting. Means you should have a fighting mode. You should have a
Yes,
fighting
yes,
as means confidence to do this. So these are the things we have to keep focus and keep learning. Every day is a new opportunity. So learn something new and keep struggling. Keep like what I can say, searching on Google. These type of things. These are the things. One day you will get your result. Not today, not
yes,
tomorrow, but day after
yes,
tomorrow will be your day. So these
yes.
are the things. So thank you, Venugopal. This is a very nice interaction with you, and you taught us and me also so many things, and that will help to the viewers and for me also to grow, to learn a good
Yeah,
thing. So thank you, Venugopal, for giving your time
yeah.
with us, for sharing your
Thank you, sir. Like I followed your videos, especially like your videos you used to interview like some fellows like asking about interview experience like
Mhm.
from your young days. Like I have followed your YouTube channel. You are
Yeah.
interviewing others. I learned a lot from them. Thank you for your YouTube channel and your initiative. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.